This is mine. This is a fitted cube, cheap one from eBay or from eBay, and yeah, let's just open it. Packaging. So what we get is this one. This is in grey and black, and let's see. This is one of those cheap Chinese knockoff ones. Basically, all the knockoff ones are the same. They come in the same kind of packaging. The differences on how much you pay. This is one of the cheapest ones you can get. I paid like $2 for it. So see, this is very nice. It's not too clicky, but it works. I prefer the switch. Is one of my favorites, and I like it, and it's more slidey. And the gears are a bit stiff. The gears are often the problem with the cheaper ones, and it's basically hit or miss with the gears that can't predict that which ones they work the best. These they turn, the middle one turns, this one, okay, 2 of 3 turn, that's pretty good. And the palm works, this one, okay, it's a bit crooked, but it's always crooked. This thing, it's not flat, so that's better when it's not fully flat, but the finger placement, it's just one split up. So it's not the best one, but it works when it's not flat. And one of the problems with these cheap ones is that the distance of entry, this one seems to be in okay. This smooth, nothing to complain, and then the buttons. The buttons all work pretty much. All the buttons are the same thickness. Yeah, this is pretty good one. But I would say this one took like 6 weeks to arrive, so I would not say. You might want to just pay a little more to get it on time.